Hello. So we are going to do a job hunt. And we're starting with this template slideshow that has several different slides. It has a opening slide, which has 3 different links to job boards that are popular in the year 2026. And I have an example job that I looked up, and then another example job, and we will make one of our own right now. So I'm just going to go back to see this first example job. I found this job for branch customer representative on Indeed. I found the full job description, pasted it here, found the benefits, pasted them here. I found the address and I mapped the address from my parents' house, and then I answered all of the questions about this job. So your goal is to find 5 jobs that you can actually apply to today to actually perhaps get a job. So we're really looking for this. This is meant to be a real activity. People throughout their lives search for jobs many different times. So I'm not sure which of these is going to work the best today, but I'm going to click on Indeed, and clicking on Indeed, I'm going to go to, after it's verified me, I'm going to go to Find Jobs. And sometimes it forces a sign-in, so I'm going to try to do it without the sign-in. And let me see if there's any way to get past it without the sign-in. Ready to take the next step, continue account or sign-in. So I'm not going to try it because it's forcing me to do a sign-in, but maybe I could use an incognito window and try that. Okay, I'm trying to go to Find Jobs, Find Jobs. It really doesn't like the idea that I'm trying to do it without logging in or signing in. Okay. So if you want to use Indeed usually has lots of jobs, but it is going to require you to create an account or log in. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to try Google search jobs near me. Google search jobs near me. And it will usually pop up with a location. I want to choose my area. And let's see. The area nearest me is 28th Street Southeast. And look at that. It's coming up with Indeed. I'm going to pop on Indeed and see. See, it's still not doing it. Okay. So, jobs. Notice right here it says jobs. And let's see. Right now, I have a lot of options for different things here. I'm going to just scan through and see what jobs might be interesting to me. Okay, Meyer gas station. This one's interesting to me. Now, it might take you a little while to find exactly one that's interesting to you. And so I'm going to select this one. I'm going to do a screenshot of this listing. Okay, very carefully taking the screenshot. And I'm going to post this onto my slide. And as I said, I'm going to go on to slide 2 of 5 jobs. Okay, so the job listing, you can delete. I'm just clicking and then pressing the delete key. I'm going to click on this and press the delete key. And I'm going to move this box over. This box doesn't need to be so big. And then I'm going to just paste right there. So here's my job. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller by grabbing the corner. Okay, so that's the job. Now I need a full job description. Okay, so I'm looking for a full job description. So I'm going to select that gas station job. And it says it's a Meyer full-time. Qualifications, 6 more items. More job highlights, job description. Full job description right there. Okay, so I'm going to copy as much as I can in this. So I'm going to scroll it so I can capture job description all the way down to here. Okay, so that's about as much as I can capture with my screen size. So I'm going to put that on my job description. So I've got to delete this other one, close this window. I don't need that, close that. I'm trying to click on this so I can delete it. Delete key or backspace key sometimes. I think I'm clicking on the wrong thing. Make sure you're not clicking inside of these because it won't work. There we go. Pasting, Control V. So there's my job description. Now we need benefits. So I'm going to look for benefits for this job, see if it says what the benefits are. Usually that's in the listing somewhere. Scanning might be at the top. Oh, there we go, benefits. Weekly pay, scheduled flexibility, paid parental leave. Right there, Meyer Awards. I'm going to copy that. I don't need the words and career growth, I don't think. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to paste that on my benefits. There we go, Meyer Awards. And then I need a map to get there. Okay, so we got to figure out where exactly this job is. It's not saying. It's not saying here. It's not saying here. Where do I apply? Apply on Meyer Careers, apply on talent.com, apply on local jobs, apply on Simply Hired, Break Room, BB. There's a lot of different hiring boards. I think just Meyer Careers is where I would want to apply. Oh, and there's the location right here. Okay. It says this is a part-time job. It was posted recently because it's the 29th right now. I'm going to copy this address and I'm going to map it. Okay, so when you map it, you can just go to Google Maps. And after you go to Google Maps, then type in your address. So I'm going to just type in a school here, and then directions, and then your location. I'm going to paste in that address, enter, and let's see, bus. I could do bus, I could walk, I could ride a bike. I'm going to select bus, and I'm going to flip the direction. This little arrow will flip the direction. So it looks like about 15 minutes either way. So I'm going to do a little snip on this. Okay, so this shows how I'm going to get there. And I'm going to paste that onto my slide right here. So this should be from your home or wherever you're going to be at. And now we're going to fill out all the details for this. Are you qualified? Yes, this is entry level. Where did you find it? Google Jobs and Meyer. Who's the employer? Meyer. What's the address? I'm just going to paste again because I thought, oops, nope, I had forgotten I had copied that. So the address was 1540 28th Street. Control Shift and V to paste it without any extra stuff. How many miles from home? Well, I'm going back to my map. See how many miles that is. If you go to the walking, that's probably the best example of miles, so 1.3 miles. Or you could do the driving distance, 1.6 miles, the biking distance, 1.4 miles. So I'm just going to say the driving distance, 1.6 miles. 1.6 miles. How would you get there? I would take the bus. What is the hourly rate? Let's see if Meyer lists that. It's got the rewards. What will you be doing? What skills will you use? Information, if you're a good fit. I think we would have to click apply here to find out because it's not saying what the wages are. So we would actually have to apply. So this listing does not say how much it lists for. So not listed. How many hours per week? It didn't say, but it said part-time. Hours or times? Well, I think the gas station is open from 6 a.m. to midnight. What are the benefits? Well, that's on the list. Weekly pay. You get paid every week. It says discount, team discount. So you get a discount on the stuff at probably inside the gas station. How long would you work there? Probably 3 to 6 months. A link to the listing. So here's a link to the listing. Here's the actual listing that's got the address and everything. So I'm going to paste that. And Control Shift and V will give you a full paste. And then if you do a space, it makes it into a link. So that's what we're doing. We're looking for different jobs. And we're trying to find these jobs. Obviously, you're going to want to spend more time. I was kind of rushing through it. But you're going to find different jobs that you could actually apply for today, that you would have a chance of getting, that you're qualified for, that you could get to. Okay? All those sorts of things. And you're going to paste in the little images here. You're going to answer the questions. And that's our goal. All right. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and rewind or slow it down or pause it, watch again. And good luck on your job hunt. I hope you have lots of good luck.